Just take a breath and take it deep to show the world that you can see a life that's full of wonder, but it will never be enough.
Hey there, Kyle King with American Dream Realty.
Chelsea DeJoie with Magnolia Homestead Realty.
We are at 9918 Southwest 62nd Terrace in beautiful Ocala, Florida.
We are in the premier retirement community of Cherrywood Estates. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home on 1,488 square feet.
Come take a look. As you step inside, you're going to love the open concept dining, living, and kitchen area. I absolutely love these huge bay windows. The kitchen is bright and airy. You're going to love the natural light.
This is a great sized kitchen. They have granite countertops. I love the refrigerator because look at this. You can either just open it up and get out your drinks, or you can open it all the way up. It's very nice. So he mentioned how it has the beautiful bay windows. They were all recently updated in 2019. The roof was done in 2017 and the HVAC was done in 2016. So you'll have no problems getting any financing on this house. We have a Bosch dishwasher and a new stove and refrigerator. The only thing that's not new in this house is the microwave, and it's still in great condition. Hi, welcome to the primary bedroom of this house. This is a true split floor plan home. Beautiful walk-in, huge walk-in shower, huge walk-in closet. It's awesome. Yeah, it's a great size room. Nice carpet, new windows. You guys are gonna love this. Check out how big this shower is. It's huge. Bath Fitter came in here and redid this entire shower last year for around $10,000, and it's amazing. You can get like 4 people.
Love it. Come check out the walk-in closet. It is huge. It has closet-made shelving. You can add some more shelving in here. Automatic sensor lights. You could literally fit a twin-size bed in here. Check out this beautiful sunroom. It's literally accessing the light from outside.
So nice. Could it be a Florida home without a sunroom, or Florida room as we love to call them down here? It's beautiful.
And come check this out. It leads out to the back patio. Perfect for some midday sunbathing. Lots of sun.
such a nice outdoor area. This home is on city sewer, city water, has rain gutters. There is an HOA here, but it's not that expensive. It's only $273 a month. That includes your trash, your cable, and there's a pool here, guys. So you don't have to worry about the maintenance of having a pool. They take care of it for you. They have pickleball courts, tennis courts, all kinds of other amazing amenities down there. So definitely gonna have a great time living here for retirement.
Also, there is a irrigation system and hurricane shutters, perfect for Florida.
Yes, definitely.
Hey guys, Brittany here with Homestar Financial. Just wanted to say hi and let you guys know that this house will go for all loan types, USDA even and VA. That's 2 loan programs that are 0 money down. Like, you can't pass that up. Call me today if you are interested in this house. Any loan type will cover it, and I would love to help guide you and walk you through it. New roof, so many new options. Call me today for any questions, even if you don't want to apply for this house. Call me, we are here for you.
This laundry room is so nice. It has the utility sink that you guys know that I love. A lot of shelving leads to the garage, 2-car garage, and it has the screen so you can open up the garage and let that fresh air just breeze in without getting all the bugs and stuff that Florida has. So when you move to Cherrywood Estates, you have access to all of these great amenities like this great pool.
There's a tennis court, a pickleball court, a pool hall, and a lovely hot tub yonder.
Love it. It's really great. It's got a great banquet hall here. You could host some amazing events. There's a library, a gym, pool hall. I see a tennis court back here. It's a very nice community center. A lot of different retirement communities do not offer all these great amenities. So for that low HOA rate that you're paying, you're getting a lot out of it.
They have lady luncheons. There's lots of social clubs. There's a lot to do here.
I did see a singles night dinner.
Yes.
So come get you a man.
Get it, girl.
Make sure you like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you get a notification every time we upload. Thanks for watching.